Hi, I'm Jennifer Putland. I'm an education coordinator at Ocean Networks Canada at the University of Victoria in Victoria, BC, Canada. Before I begin, I would like to acknowledge with respect that the university stands on the traditional territory of the Lekwungen people. This is land that the Esquimalt, the Songhees, and the Masonic peoples continue to have historical relationships to this day. So today I'm actually at Ocean Networks Canada and I'm in the kitchen here. And the reason I'm here is because I want to show you some activities that you can do at home to help you better understand some of the ways in which the ocean is impacted by carbon dioxide and warming. So I encourage you to do these activities. And if you do and you want to share the results of the activities or maybe a video of yourself doing the activities, please share them with us on Twitter and tag us at Ocean Networks #KnowTheOcean. You've probably noticed or heard that the ocean covers about 70% of the Earth's surface. And as a result, it represents a huge surface area for the exchange of liquids, gases, solids, and heat. In terms of gases, collectively, the oceans absorb about 30% of anthropogenic carbon dioxide emissions. Okay, so for this activity, you're going to be looking at the impact of carbon dioxide on water chemistry. For this activity, you need a few things. You need carbonated water, great if you have a soda stream, a pH kit. So if you have an aquarium test kit, this is perfect. And 2 vials. One of the vials you're going to put regular tap water, and the other vial you're going to put your carbonated water. Now follow the instructions of your aquarium test kit to determine the pH for each vial. What is the pH for the contents of each vial? What impact did adding carbon dioxide have on the pH of the water? If you wish to share your activity results with us, please do this on Twitter and tag us at Ocean Networks #KnowTheOcean. Now, before we move on to the next activity, be sure to clean up your equipment and answer any teacher questions. See you at the next activity.